Welcome to this virtual tour of fiber instrument sales, often referred to in the industry as just FIS. I'm Kirk Donnelly, Senior Vice President of Sales, and part of the management team here to ensure we meet customers' expectations. In just a few minutes, we're going to take you on a tour of our facilities and show you the capabilities that make up our manufacturing and distribution of fiber optic products.
Let us first take an aerial view of the infrastructure where you will find 450 dedicated employees. Our headquarters are located on 20 acres in upstate New York in a town pronounced Oriskany, approximately 40 miles east of Syracuse and 90 miles west of Albany. At these facilities, we are building broadband fiber optic communication products that are compliant with Build America, Buy America requirements for government-funded projects. FIS was established in 1985, exclusively dedicated to the distribution of fiber optic-related products, buying in high quantity and distributing small units to emerging technology of startup or growing fiber optic companies. This is our corporate headquarters, where over 1,000 purchase orders are received every week from a customer base exceeding 10,000 companies. Entering our lobby, you'll find parallel conference and training rooms. Weekly training by vendors for our sales team is executed to keep them current with changing technology and introduction of new products. On the first floor is our purchasing group, accounting department, quality management, shipping logistics, and internal IT team for oversight on data systems. FIS has an average of 20 to 30 new customers every week. We are proud over 40% of new customers are referrals, confirming we are providing a higher level of customer service. Here we are on the second floor, where the sales department is comprised of fiber optic product managers, sales engineers, account managers, and customer support representatives. The knowledge and years of experience of this department provides exceptional service. FIS is well known for its superior stocking position as a distributor for leading manufacturers, including AFL, Corning, Expo, Fluke, Litera OFS, Leviton, PLP, Ripley, Sumitomo, Viavi, US Connect, Wilcom, and several other recognized manufacturers. Also located here on the second floor is the marketing department. Our fiber optic catalog is edited here annually and has served as a reference for the telecom industry for decades. For over 30 years, FIS has been a leader in fiber optic training, and the FIS training staff keeps in regular contact with leading manufacturers to obtain the newest technology and latest equipment. Students have a variety of ways to learn, including on-site corporate, live online, or hands-on on-site, where instructors travel with gear to select cities all over the USA. Our most popular venue is a 3-day training on beautiful Racket Lake at the Brightside Training Center located in the New York State Adirondacks. This training includes lodging and meals at an early 1800s lakeside hotel where you'll discover priceless stories socializing with industry peers. Services at FIS include fiber optic equipment rentals and equipment calibration. Availability of the latest fusion splicers, OTDRs, and optical test sets allow contractors to flex their capacity on current and upcoming projects. Our service department has direct links to manufacturers. They can execute light equipment repairs and provide annual certifications to verify test equipment is delivering accurate results. Fusion splicers are scheduled for annual cleaning and tested to prolong the large investments of companies and contractors across the USA who rely on this technology daily. FIS has a reputation for delivering on time, and that's because of its $25 million inventory that's in stock and ready to ship. Throughout the day, hundreds of orders are sent same day with next-day carriers to destinations anywhere from Buffalo, New York to Phoenix, Arizona. No location in the world has a selection or depth of this warehouse at getting a product needed to finish a job. Over 1,500 packages every week leave FIS warehouse via overnight carriers and freight trucks. Pallets of pre-terminated cable assemblies and fiber-to-the-home distribution hubs leave here to assist with broadband expansions across the U.S. FIS has a huge cable inventory, from single fiber drop cable to 288 count micro-distribution data center cabling that can be cut to your required length. If the cable is not shipping to the customer unterminated on a spool, the cable is sent further into the FIS manufacturing facility for preparation and installation of different types of fiber connectors. This inventory at FIS includes several manufacturers, including the Light Connection, AFL, Belden, Corning, CommScope, Optical Cable Corp, OCC, and Superior Essex. There are hundreds of broadband products manufactured and branded as FIS. Within our manufacturing facility, we operate several 3D printers to assist with custom-built products. For our specialty customers with large core fibers, we manufacture and drill alloy ferrules, selling them as components or pressed into standard ST, FC, or SC type connectors. Our manufacturing work groups are constantly rotating throughout, building and packaging hundreds of products such as fusion splice sleeves, fan-out and breakout kits, cleaning consumables, mechanical splices, interconnect adapter plates, splice trays, and cable management accessories. FIS is the largest cable assembly house in the U.S. and a Corning Gold assembly partner, with actual manufacturing of the simplex, duplex, and multi-fiber cable here on site. There is installation available for a wide variety of connectors such as MTP, MPO, MMC for data center trunk cables, drop cables, and Corning OptiTap and other hardened connectors for outdoor environments. Multi-fiber assemblies with LC, ST, FC, and SC connectors are built to length or drawing and save customers time and costs required to buy tools and consumables for terminations on the job site. Custom-made products are found throughout FIS, where customers have items prepped prior to shipment, such as NID boxes, by installing an adapter and pigtail prior to the field. This is our metal fabrication shop, where custom enclosures are within your reach for both outdoor and indoor applications. The mechanical engineering team at FIS can make modifications to existing or new designs. You may purchase in single quantities, order as little as 50 units, and you can receive private labeled products. FIS interconnect enclosures are Build America, Buy America compliant, with both metal and fabrication executed here in the USA. FIS has depth with 2 precision punches, heavy-duty brakes, powder coating, and ovens. After finishing is applied, these enclosures are assembled and can be populated with different style adapters and pigtailed assemblies. Once enclosures are boxed, material makes its way to the main warehouse for pairing with other products in the shipment. Now we visit our most recent expansion. In this facility, our fiber optic test equipment engineering team is fabricating circuit boards, OTDRs, video inspection scopes, fiber optic test sets, and optical spectrum analyzers. FIS is one of the few fiber optic test equipment manufacturers in the U.S. Established in 1999, the Light Connection addressed a shortage of fiber optic simplex and duplex cables. To resolve this issue, they invested in an extruder to support FIS in its cable manufacturing facility. They also formed an exclusive partnership with Corning Optical for their fiber optic supply. Today, TLC specializes in the manufacturing of high-performance fiber optic cable and fabrication tubing. Cable made here supports data centers, telecom groups, fiber to the X networks, and enterprise infrastructure. TLC provides the products that are woven into the world's most critical communications. Let's begin by showing how Corning fiber is color-coded, buffered, and manufactured into a 288 fiber count cable. After buffering fiber, it is categorized and assigned to a bill of materials. These buffered fibers are jacketed within different cable constructions or bundled for later manufacturing into high-count data center trunk cables for LC, MTP, or MMC connectors. Armored jacketing is becoming incredibly popular, providing extra protection to avoid accidental failures from being cut. At TLC, they specialize making interlocking armored cable, which results in a very flexible product. Every fiber in every cable is tested and verified for length and attenuation. What sets TLC apart is its commitment to customer satisfaction. With its in-house testing lab, cables are tested to meet and exceed industry standards. Every product is engineered and cabled in-house, allowing them to maintain high level of quality control and deliver product with unmatched lead times. Besides a heavy-to-build order schedule, TLC maintains an evenly weighted build for stock program to support distributors and cable assemblers who need to react to industry needs. In 2008, FIS Blue took shape to be the premier manufacturer and supplier of fiber optic assemblies for broadcast, military, and maritime applications. They serve the military directly and indirectly. FIS Blue maintains many required high security certifications. FIS Blue is recognized as a product solution provider within the broadcasting industry and recently introduced their new gen version 2 of its SMPTE cable test set, which is designed to test and evaluate SMPTE hybrid copper fiber cable assemblies. FIS Blue manufactures cable assemblies with tactical style harsh environment connectors like the BFOCA, TFOCA 2 and 3, expanded beam, and D38999. New to its lineup is an American-made micro-armored tactical cable that is super slim, utilizing a braided steel armor for maximum protection against cable piercing and rodent chewing. FIS Blue is ITAR registered, CMMC2 compliant, and JCP certified. They also hold the AS9100D accreditation. FIS Blue is known for innovation, customization, and the shortest lead time in the broadcast and military industry. Our sister company, Molding Solutions Inc., referred to as MSI, at its existing location, has been injection molding plastic components since 1981. The acquisition of this specialty company now enables FIS to tool and mold required plastic parts for fiber optic related products and test equipment housings. MSI operates 105 state-of-the-art machines, including 22 molding presses, ranging from 30 to 550 ton. They also offer 3D printing, fixture assembling, and unique molds for rapid turnarounds. MSI has grown to be one of the largest high-quality injection molding facilities in upstate New York, known for delivering high-quality American-made products at globally competitive prices. MSI produces mold components for a wide range of industries, from medical to precision overmolded automotive materials. MSI holds an ISO 9001-2015 certification. The latest acquisition in 2011, Fermer Precision in Cedarville, New York, further increases capabilities manufacturing machine parts for FIS, such as large core alloy ferrules, polish disc, and assembly fixtures. Fermer has been manufacturing since 1947, originally as a highly respected tool and die shop. Today it has become one of the largest CNC machining facilities in upstate New York, with more than 100 machining centers. Fermer manufactures parts for international automotive, pump, firearms, and compressor companies. It holds an IATF 16949 and ISO 9001-2015 certification and a federal firearms license.
Thank you for spending the last few minutes on our virtual tour. I hope by sharing our vertical manufacturing capabilities, inventory position, and commitment to fiber optics, we can find new opportunities to work together. Our 450 employees thank you for your ongoing business, and we invite you to come visit us anytime and explore everything you saw today firsthand. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button and remember to subscribe and enable the notifications for new FIS videos.